recently got rid of my 22-inch Blackstone because it wasn't meeting my needs at home. It was too big for me to take camping, but too small to do the cooking that I wanted to do when I was at home. Here is a simple video of how my upgrade to the 36-inch Members Mark flat top allowed me to prep a couple different dinners without having to cook on numerous days or twice as long. Basically allowed me to prepare dinner for the family and to meal prep. These were two simple dinners. On the left is a Greek seasoned chicken that had butternut squash, bell peppers, onion, broccoli, and alfalfa sprouts. And on the right side, I did a simple Mexican-style chicken that we used for fajitas a couple of days later. Pretty simple. I was able to cook two dinners at one time, and then that gave me less work to do on one of the other days. This is why I really enjoy having the 36-inch griddle as opposed to having the 22-inch. Let me know in the comments, do you have a larger griddle? Do you have a smaller one? How do you do your food prep?